Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I'm here with another dolly dress up. Today we have Country Summer. She is my first stock Blythe doll that I ever purchased. She is a stock Neo Blythe, and I'm trying to remember, I want to say she's a 2016 or 2013. I'll put it in a comment below and tell you the year of her release. She is in a really cute outfit. I got this dress that she's wearing now when I purchased a custom doll from somebody, and the doll came in this dress, and I really like this fabric. It's super cute outfit for fall, but honestly she's been in it for quite a while. I don't really remember, a good couple of months she's had this on, so I think it's time that she has something else to wear. And I have some dresses over here, many of which I have made, and I need to think about which one. This one is like a one I made that has a cute sea motif, like a ocean motif. It's got a mermaid on it, but this seems kind of summery to me. In fact, this is another one that also has a ocean motif. So these look a little too summery, I think, for now. So I'm going to say no to those. This is the only one I've made like this, and it was my first attempt at this pattern. It is not perfect. I goofed up a little bit here, but I love this fabric, so I might put her in that. Let's see. I love purple. She could still wear that, even that ribbon, or see what else I have. Maybe a black ribbon, because there's just a little bit of black in there, and maybe some black shoes. So that is a possibility. Uh-oh, girl. No, you can't wear that one. It's too summery. So that's a possibility. This one, I really like it. It's got a lot of detail. Maybe for New Year's Eve, she might look cute in this because it's got so much going on with it. Here's another one that's that same fabric. It's just got short sleeves, and the bodice I think is a little, no, I think it's the same length. Are they both maybe a little bit longer? So maybe. I'm feeling in the purple mood, and this is awfully cute too. Let's see what she would look like. This. The butterfly. I'm not loving it. I like the brighter purple. So I'm going to put her in this. See if we can get some black shoes and maybe a black hair ornament that hopefully I have in my stash. She already has stockings on, so that's great. Does she have any undies too? Nope, she's going commando, but she's got the stockings, so that's okay. Ooh, watch out, we got Velcro here. Don't get it caught in her hair. Or her tights. Yes, that's a really cute dress. Let me put that over there. So, hopefully this is going to fit her okay. I haven't put anybody in this dress in a while, but I do know it usually fits the standard Takara body fine. I just had trouble turning it inside out when I was stitching it. And do I have two? Oh, lazy bones me. I only put one snap on here. I guess because I wasn't happy with the finished product. I didn't want to waste time, but I really need to put an extra snap there. But we won't see that from this side. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. Yeah, I still like Country Summer. I gotta say, she's still one of my favorite dolls. I remember thinking hard about, oof, I was going to buy this doll. She's so expensive. Okay, so I just laugh at myself now. All right, so let's see what kind of, let's check the shoes at this point, and we can put away her boots as well at the same time. Scoot over. All right, let's see, put these in here. These are black and flowery. Might be a little too much. Let me see, just flip it on real quick. No boots. I'm not feeling the boots today. Got a lot of boots in here. All right. There's some black shoes. These might work. Let's pull these out just in case, but I'm going to flip the case around and make a lot of noise. See what we have over here. Be nice to just find some simple slip-on black, or I guess we could do white. That's a possibility. What do we have here? We've got black and green, like a forest green, little bits of yellow. All right, what do we have here for shoes? Nope, we don't have any pink. Not finding shoes. Oh, these? Nope. Really? Where are all my black shoes at? I think a lot of my dolls are wearing them because I have a bunch of them dressed up for Halloween. How are these going to fit? Oh, actually, yes, that's kind of what I wanted. Just something just pop right on like that. Okay, good. We're going to go with those. All right, and let us see what we have as far as something for her hair. She is a side part doll, so the hair gets in her face if I don't pull it back somehow. Here's my very unorganized, that might be cute, pile of hair ornaments and clips. Anything black that is brown. That's pretty, but that's not the right color. Alright, so I have this, actually it might be pretty cute. Flowers with polka dots. Yes, let me try this. These are sari ribbons that I've purchased that are, I've cut them up, you know, in the right length. I think they're a couple feet long, and they've been finished on the edges, so they make great little headbands for Blythe dolls. This is pretty short. We may have to give her a ponytail. Let us see here how we do this. Get this out of the way. See if we have enough. Oh, can I just squeeze? Eek, eek. No. So, ponytail it is. Alrighty, come on. Oh, yikes. Sorry. Alright, let me pull this off of her neck. I think I'm going to leave the side green facing green eyes on her. I think this will stay in. Is it sliding off? Oh, it is sliding off. All right, so girl. Let me see what else I can do here. These are super easy. I got these from Del Sol. So they have great little clips for dolls. Nice. And then I could even maybe clip it in the back here. Get both sides. Just a little bit. Let's see how that looks. Nope. I'm almost there. We're on the home run here, folks. Just gonna do this one side like I did before. All right. Yay! All right, let's get a good look at her with the shoes. And I'm going to call this done. I like it. Yes. Whoa. Get the hair stuff out of the way. There we go. Yes, and she'll be back in the curio, hanging out with the other dolls. Toot sweet. Looking nice. I really like the black with this, so I'm glad we found those shoes. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this and have a wonderful Dolly day. I always appreciate a thumbs up and a subscribe and hit the icon, the little bell icon. Bye-bye.